Now let's come back and start with the next concept, equivalent conductivity and molar conductivity. How to define? Let's see. So equivalent conductivity is basically, how should I start? It is a conductivity. This also is conductivity. Okay, done. Conductivity. Now let's start writing. So conductivity of 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte. This one is conductivity of, okay, this is denoted by EQ. Yes. So conductivity of 1 gram equivalent of the electrolyte. Here conductivity of 1 gram mole of an electrolyte. So both are same. Only difference is here you're going to take gram mole. Here you're going to take gram equivalent. That means you're speaking in terms of molarity. Here you're speaking in terms of normality. So gram equivalent weight of an electrolyte placed in a solution. In a solution where they are separated by electrodes which are 1 centimeter distance. Where electrodes are separated by 1 centimeter distance. Here you're going to use 1 gram mole of an electrolyte. Same thing, placed in a solution where electrodes, the distance between the electrodes is 1 centimeter. Where electrodes are separated by 1 centimeter distance. Okay, this is what we have written. But you have to concentrate more on 1 gram mole here. Here you have to concentrate on 1 gram mole. How should I define? Just see, EQ is equal to kappa into 1000 by C equivalent. Now here lambda is equal to kappa into C 1000 by Cm. So what is equivalent equal to? Equivalent is equal to K kappa into 1000 by normality. I'll be using this in the formula. Here the M is equal to kappa into 1000 by molarity. So when I do the numericals, I'll be using the same for the numericals. So please remember, here gram equivalent is important, CEQ, gram mole is important, that is molarity. So conductivity I said, so conductivity. Done. Right, now let us come back and write the units for equivalent conductance and equivalent conductivity, molar conductivity. So how should I write this? What is this denoted by EQ? This one is EM. Then what do we write with formula? EQ is equal to K into 1000 by equivalent weight means CEQ. So indirectly we have written equivalent is equal to K into kappa into 1000 by normality we have written. Done. So when I have to write the units, just see, this is conductance, so ohm inverse. Normality number, that is by the gram equivalent, isn't it? So centimeter minus 2 equivalent inverse 1. Now here when I have to write is equal to K into 1000 by Cm, what do we write? Molar conductivity is equal to kappa into 1000 by molarity. This is what we have written. So again, unit is same like this. Kappa is ohm inverse, molarity number of moles divided by the volume of the solution. So nothing but, because they're separated by unit distance between both the electrodes is centimeter. So area of cross section is centimeter square which you have taken. So here instead of equivalent inverse, here you get mole inverse.